Hi guys, I am back with a makeup tutorial which I haven't done in a very long time. So I am going out today and I want to do my makeup. So let's do this. I don't really feel like putting on foundation. Like, I like this bronzy colour that I got from Poundland. It's good makeup for like days when you don't really want to, where you want to wear makeup, but you just, it's like you want to look slightly natural. Someone who's looking for like more pigment and stuff, they probably won't like it. Because I'm someone who, I generally, my lips are so dry. I really do love natural look. Next, I am doing my brows. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a really nice eyeliner. Forgive the brows, I haven't plucked them in a very long time. I haven't plucked them in a very long time. I haven't done a tutorial in a very long time. But I've been excited lately to go back and doing them. So I will sort out the brows. But I don't think they're the bomb right now. I'm just gonna take my Red Makeup Revolution eye contour brush and just blend out the eyeshadow. So next, I'm just going to go with my 17 High Drama Intense Liquid Eyeliner. I'm just going to use my Sculpt and Glow highlighting stick from Model's Own that I got recently. So I'm just going to apply some on my nose. I've given up contouring my nose. I've just given up. It doesn't work. And I don't mind my nose. Some people might say it's big. I had one girl at school call my nose a tomato nose. Generally don't care. It gives like a natural glow. You see? For lipstick I am using Primark. It looks like it's pink. It's not. It's a brown, basically. Yeah, that was it guys for today's tutorial. I didn't use foundation. I don't want to use foundation today because today I'm doing like my normal weekly shop, and when I'm doing the shop these days I don't want to like be done up real good because it's like I'm not gonna have time to go anywhere and like refresh my face. Basically it's just gonna be in and out of the shops. I just want a very simple look and I really like it. I just generally don't know why this lipstick is coming out as like pink. It's not pink. It generally looks like a brown on the mirror. So I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.